All right, so now the sun came back out. We're gonna head to Michelle's and check on the progress there. They had another delivery of some materials, and I think they're redoing the roof. There's lots of holes in the old tent. And then we also have a gift for Jincy. So we'll go there now and see the progress there. That's a nice little pool for them. They're hard at work here. They're working on the kitchen. Oh, the baby's sleeping. Okay.
And my mother.
And your mother. Okay. So Linda Marie and Michelle sleeping right now. But Jincy, I have a gift. CG. Okay. So Jincy is here with me, and I actually have a gift for her. This is from Ray G. Thank you, Ray G. And they want to give this to you. Last time you cleaned my shoes, and you did such a good job. And so thank you very much.
Thank you.
So looking good, very cool. They got the new tent. On the old tent, there's a bunch of holes. So we got all new roofing. So today they're working on John's room and the kitchen. That roof was a big improvement. Last time there was holes in it and it was starting to rust through. When it rained, it was leaking. So we got all new tent on this side and that side. Here's the old stuff. Yeah, you could even sleep there. That's cool. I asked Jincy what she'll spend this on. And what she'll do with the money.
She will save.
Okay, Jincy's gonna save that money. What are you saving for?
She will think.
Okay, she'll think about it. The good thing about saving is that you save it for unexpected things. So maybe one day she'll find something she can spend it on. So that's a good attitude to have. So here's one savings bank, and they have it pretty much full. And Mitchie made her own. Mitchie made this herself. Very creative. That's very good artwork. And that's getting full too. Very good. Ah, she's bringing over her picture she drew or she painted. Very cool. Who did this? Both of you? That's very good.
No, with the help of their mom.
With a little help of their mom. Alright, so it was nice seeing the improvements at Michelle's house. And then now we're gonna go to Baludoy's house and hand off a few gifts there. So we'll just see when we get there. Alright, so Richie and I are about to go to Baludoy's house. And this is a gift for Cecil. And someone wanted to donate some things, like I got some towels and some personal things. I won't go over everything, but Richie picked it out and it's some good stuff. And her sister is Chalamet, so I didn't want to leave her out, so we also got some stuff for her as well. And we did something similar to this not too long ago, so we had 1,000 pesos left over, so we're going to give the 1,000 pesos to Cecil and then give him the rest of the stuff. But we got some towels for him, some soap, and some other things like that. But we'll go over there now and give this to him. And I don't know if you want a shout out. I'm sorry. Some people do want shout outs and some people don't. And I don't want to give someone a shout out that doesn't want one. So thank you very much. You know who you are. But I'll head over there now with Richie, and we'll see you soon. And one more thing we'll do while we're over there is hand out some more books. We're still doing the books exchange. So there's a good site to get books. It's called booksforless.ph. I'll leave that in the description. That's a perfect way to send books here. So we'll exchange these. They have some there, and we'll give these off to them. So thanks again for that. Richie just found a good guava. I like them when they're really soft. The harder ones aren't my favorite, but when they're soft like this. That's good. Yeah. All for me?
Give me a little bit.
Here.
No.
That's delicious though. That's my favorite when it's soft. So Michael, Chalamet, and Jenny are not here, but check out this. Michael made this top. It's one of those games that we played before.
Fun.
That's really cool. Piece of wood, probably a nail, and a bottle cap.
Di sa malubong tiyo lapo. Just.
Okay, so first, this is for the book exchange. So you can just give this to Michael and Chalamet and Jenny.
Michael, Chalamet.
Yeah, and that's for the book exchange. And then we got a whole bunch of stuff for them, and we had some money left over. So the rest of the money is for Cecil, or Esil, sorry, Esil. And then all this stuff, we won't go through everything, but we got some towels and some other personal things. So that's for Chalamet and Esil, so they can share that. But thank you again very much. That really means a lot. And yeah, we'll go. She's gonna go through this stuff now. So you guys take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye. One thing I can show, she loves bubbles, so I got this for her as well. This is for you.
Yeah. Usa lang, sakto na, isa lang, saka na lang. Okay. Nakay Condrese lotion, pulbos, baby tender care. Yay. Nakay lotion. Napadaghan diri ha. So then nabalik diri niya. Tan-awa na nasulod. Random mi di Chalamet. And many more.
Yeah, and we got some more stuff and some towels and some other personal hygiene things. All right, you guys, take care. God bless, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And this is a coloring book too. So this is for Esil as well. There you go. And we gave her colored pencils already.
Salamat. Bye-bye. Bye.
Here's some of the artwork they did. So we're just driving by. There's Baludoy's house right up there, and here's Michael, Baludoy's son, and they each have one of these.
Last man standing.
Michael's still going.
Oh, sugit tuyo. Dakpo na ko. No, ragan. Karagan kaka. Una kumay koy. Oh, sugit tuyo. Nambibin be. Ay, sagot ako sa buti. Ay, pasok. Uy, wala na itong bawang.
Very cool.
Yay, pulet! Pulet, sayang! Wait, di kayo sana ko, Abirin! Tulog ko! Tulog ko!
That's cool. All right, guys. See you guys later. All right.
They're hiding. They thought there's police.
They're hiding. They thought there's police. So we're here getting some street food from Michelle. This is Jerome's wife. So with the money that you guys donated to them, they're starting this little store, and they sell tempura, which is delicious. She's cooking it here, and then you can dip it in the hot sauce. They also have some water and some bread and other things for sale. Oh, jeez, too many dogs. Sorry, but it's really delicious. It's really good.
So if they are tired or hungry after playing, they can buy here.
Yeah, this is like the hangout area. Richie's house, we park there, and Richie's house is right over there, and that's Jerome's house up there. So this is kind of like the hangout area where they play badminton. There's a basketball hoop right there. Francis has the basketball. They're yo-yoing. So it's just kind of a nice little area that they usually come and hang out. And it's usually around 4:30 they usually come here and hang out because it's so hot during the day. And around this time it's like a perfect time of day. So it's really cool. And now they have nice food here. Let's see the duyan.
Duyan.
Yeah.
Duyan.
That's the duyan.
Duyan.
Very cool.
Duyan.
How do you make the sauce? What's in the sauce?
Not interesting.
What?
That's interesting to make the sauce.
What's inside of it?
Kuanday ka na garlic, onion,
Garlic, onion,
ka na vinegar,
vinegar,
ketchup,
and ketchup.
sukar pa.
Sugar.
And then sugar. Okay.
Cornstarch eh.
O cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
And cornstarch. Okay. And chili, yeah.
Wow. Imlot. Itol. Yan. Tato laway. Laway. Kana.
Yummy. Alright, alright. It's steaming. It might be a little hot. Mmm. Delicious. Lamit. I was trying to figure out why this dog was so big. Look at his tummy.
It's so hot.
It's from people dropping these. His tummy is getting pretty big. Busog na ko. I'm full. Alright, we have some balutes for sale. How much is one?
22.
22 pesos? Alright.
18 sa balut.
Is 18? I'll try 18.
Day, 116 from mother. Mother.
Oh, niya na.
Alright, so here's the 18. This is balut. Wow.
The baby chicken.
Look at that. Is it chicken or duck?
Baby chicken. Chicken.
It's chicken?
Manok eh, no?
Baby.
Baby duck.
Baby duck. Alright. The juice is my favorite. Doesn't that look delicious? I'll put a little bit of salt. Oh yeah. Wanna try some? I think that's hair.
Inita po ni. Number 18.
You have 18 too?
You have a league already. You have a league. 18. 118. Customer number 4.
Pahulam rate.
16. Para sa
That's a wad of hair.
ipadong. Day, mama ni mo ako ngoto. Di mo ko.
Nice shot, Pilsum. We found a bicycle. Nice. Just make sure you go uphill, not downhill. Not too long ago, like less than a month ago, a kid was riding down here with his bicycle and he flipped it down there. Hey! That's Shane, she's good.
How did you do that?
That's Jerome's daughter, Shane. Wow, she's pretty good. How old is
I cannot
she?
even run with my bike.
She's like 10 years old, isn't she? Wow.
While me is swimming. Still having a hard time.
I think you're pretty good at the bike. It's pretty much the same thing. Try to turn around. That's good.